Hello, Professor. This is my submission for the species presentation for Honors Bio 003, Professor Guzman's class. My presentation is on the Kitti's hog-nosed bat, and the following PowerPoint will demonstrate some interesting aspects and variations belonging to this specimen. The Kitti's hog-nosed bat, scientific name Crassioniceteris thonglongi. Alternative names for this creature are the bumblebee bat, the pig-nosed bat, and the inch bat. These alternate names will become clear as the presentation continues and the physical aspects of the bat are made more apparent. The bumblebee bat gets its name from its very small size. It has an average length of between 29 and 33 millimeters, which is about 1.2 inches. It weighs approximately 2 grams, which is roughly the equivalent of the weight of a dime. It is the smallest known species of bat and is in contention for the smallest mammal on planet Earth. It is extremely tiny and possesses some very unique characteristics, which we will explore in the following slides. The bumblebee bat, being a mammal, has fur. Its fur is red-brown and gray. It has darker fur on its back and lighter shades on its underside, perhaps as a way to camouflage it from flying predators flying above it. It has large ears proportionate to its size, which help it with its use of echolocation, and it has very small eyes, which are often obscured by long fur protruding from the front of the animal's face. The hog-nosed bat has very large wings when compared with its small body size. The long wingtips allow it to hover in flight, which aids it in the hunting of insects. It has 2 caudal vertebrae, but has no visible tail. Where most bats use a tail to help stabilize themselves in flight, the Kitti's hog-nosed bat has a large web section spanning its back legs, which help it maneuver in flight and aid in the catching of insects during flight. One of the most notable features of the Kitti's hog-nosed bat, and the one that gives it its name, is its very pronounced, large, swollen, and pig-like snout. It is a physical adaptation which is believed to aid in hunting of insects, detecting of predators, and finding mates. Its snout is larger in proportion to its body than most other bat species. Similar to many other species of bats, the bumblebee bat uses echolocation. It uses it as a navigation tool and as an aid for hunting. It emits high-frequency noises which emanate from the bat, bounce off of objects, and return to the bat, creating a 3-dimensional picture which helps it to find its way. With a rate of 220 calls per second, ranging from 70 to 80 kilohertz, this species possesses substantial physiological adaptations which allow it to survive in its unique environment. The bumblebee bat's diet consists primarily of insects and small spiders. It can capture flies, mosquitoes, and beetles in mid-flight. It is a crepuscular animal, meaning it is most active hunting during the dawn and dusk hours and typically forages in short bursts of 15 to 20 minutes in the evening and at dawn. The bumblebee bat lives in limestone caves near rivers and water sources. Colonies range in size with an average of 100 individuals per cave. Although the bats are social creatures and roost together in groups, they do not conglomerate on cave walls and domes as other bat species do. They prefer instead to hang by themselves a few meters away from one another. They are found in the interior of caves far away from the cave entrance. Kitti's hog-nosed bat females give birth to a single offspring per reproductive cycle. This typically occurs in the dry months of the bat's habitat, which falls between March and May. Maternity colonies have been observed during the birthing season, where groups of females roost close to each other to provide protection and provisions for their young. Their young are extremely tiny when newborn and attach themselves to their mothers for a number of months, even while the mother goes out and forages for food. The Kitti's hognose bat is native to Southeast Asia, and populations are only found in the forested areas of western Thailand and Myanmar. The bats prefer limestone caves near rivers and forage in jungle, deciduous, and evergreen forests. They have been observed to migrate from one cave to another during seasonal changes throughout the year. Due to the limited range of the species and small total population numbers, changes in local biome can have large impacts on the lives of the bats. Deforestation can limit the animals' foraging grounds, and human interaction and occupation of caves have proven to be a challenge facing the species. They are a near-threatened species, but due to the small numbers and niche habitat requirements, the bats face an uncertain future. In summary, the Kitti's hognose bat is a fascinating species. Renowned for its small size, it has demonstrated traits that are well suited to its survival and represent an interesting course of biological evolution. The species, having only been discovered in the 1970s, has limitless potential for further study and analysis. I have enjoyed learning about it, its habitat, its behavioral patterns, and its anatomy. I hope you enjoy it as well. Thank you.